On behalf of Maya's Research and Learning Private Limited, as a course coordinator, very happy to invite you all to this online course on creation of blog and content management. Myself, Dr. S. Aravind, librarian, GTN Arts College, Dindukal. Please to watch and observe the session. Today, for the fourth session, I would like to welcome our resource person, Dr. K. Ramasamy, librarian, M.V. Muthaya, Government Arts College for Women, Dindukal. His topic is creating blogs in WordPress domain, a step-by-step guide. Welcome you, sir.
Good morning, friends. We are happy to be a part of this 3 days workshop on creating blogs or websites using various free and open source content management softwares. Today, in this session, we are going to see how a blog or website can be created using WordPress content management system. Why WordPress? There are many reasons. To cut a few, WordPress has got more than 110 themes to select from. You can have a static homepage, you can have vibrant homepage, you can have any number of pages and subpages, you can have any number of categories and subcategories, you can have a media library to which you can store all the files that you may require in future. WordPress supports many different file formats. You can have a lot of pictures to be displayed either as a gallery or a slideshow on WordPress. They give you 3 GB of free space. You can create link categories to either external websites or the internal files available in the media library. And it is very secure to have the commands in WordPress. And there is a possibility of converting tags to categories and categories to tags. You can create tag of clouds and you can display the commands given by your visitors. And it is having a very powerful administrator panel called dashboard. And it is very easy to delete the pages or posts. And you get 24/7 support for running this particular WordPress domain blocks. Plenty of literature is available to help you to run this WordPress domains. Apart from the basic plugins, hundreds of advanced plugins are available to customize your functions. You can conduct polls, opinion test on WordPress, and you can have a quick edit option for renaming your files. And even it provides an opportunity for mailing your participants, your users, on the arrival of new things in your website. The website can be set in more than 50 languages. You can have RSS feeds, and you can have all the social media networkings of your library into your WordPress domain. And you can have all the social media share button, and you can even post messages to WordPress by your mail. Not only this, there's an import option. If you're already running your blog in Blogger, LiveJournal, MoveType, etc., you can import the entire content into WordPress. The same way, you can export the entire WordPress post or pages or comments into an external file. It promotes multi-author blocking. In the sense, 3 or 4 people combinedly, you may come together, you can run the blog. You can arrange the pages in any order of your choice. And you can have as many keywords for a tag. And there's an option for conducting a search within your blog. And it supports nested structure of hierarchy where you can keep contents over one layer over the other. And it doesn't require any of your hardware or HTML skills. These are reasons why we go for WordPress. The first part of this presentation, we'll talk about how to create a login, what is a dashboard, what are the menus, how to customize the WordPress website, and how to add various widgets. Now, Let us start with our presentation. You go to Google and type WordPress.com. You will get this particular screen. You click Get Started, and you will get this screen where you have to enter your email ID, an email ID which is actively used by you. Choose a username and a password for entering WordPress website, not your email username and password. A password and a username exclusively meant for entering or editing data in WordPress. Username, password. Once it is over, click on create your account. Then choose whether the blog is about business or entertainment or education, something like that. I have selected education. Then you have to give a name for your site. I have given Tamil Nadu LIS directory. We are creating a directory of librarians working in Tamil Nadu. This can be changed at any time during the process of promoting your WordPress website. Then it says tnlisdirectory.com is available, but you have to pay money. If you come little down, it says tnlisdirectory.wordpress.com free. So click on select. You'll get this screen, and again click on start for free. You'll get this screen saying that your site has been created. You can see here, you created your site, you updated your site title, but it says that you have to confirm your email address only when your blog will be activated. So you have to go to your email box. In your email inbox, you have got a message stating that click here to confirm now. You click it, you will get a message that it is confirmed, and by pressing login to WordPress you can enter and you can get into login. So now go to any browser, Firefox or Chrome or any browser, and type the URL www.tnlisdirectory.wordpress.com. You can ask a question, sir, if I go and type this in the Google, whether I will not be able to get it or not. You're right. It takes some time for Google to look for your website, understand its importance and bring it to the display. For some time, maybe for a couple of months, till your website is getting some visitors, you have to go to the browser and type the URL and click enter, and you'll be asked to give your username, then click continue, and you have to give the password. You will be landing in a place called dashboard. What is a dashboard? So dashboard is a area where, as an administrator, as a creator of the blog, you can go inside, you can add contents, you can design your layouts, you can change the font size, you can change the background color, you can delete the contents, you can modify the contents, you can do all those things in dashboard. In the dashboard, there are many menus which we are going to use for constructing our WordPress domain. If you see this dashboard, on the left side, you can see a vertical list of menus, of which 3 or 4 menus are very important menu items. One is post, then media, links, pages and appearance. These are the very important widgets. You can ask a question, sir, I have just given a name for my WordPress website. I would like to have a design. As you are constructing a house, you have a plan of how your house should be, length, breadth, how many rooms, all those particulars. You have blueprint. The same way, you should have a layout for your WordPress website. The first thing, you have to choose a theme, because theme decides the layout of your particular WordPress blog. Whether you want to have a single column or 2 columns, 3 columns, whether you want a menu bar on the right side or left side, or both left and right side, or you want menu bars to be placed in the footer of your website or on the header of your website. All these things can be decided only based on what kind of theme you decide for your blog. So first of all, you need to choose themes. Where to go? Come to dashboard, left side menu, click on appearance, a submenu appears, and click themes. You will get a long list of themes. Here you can see all themes, free themes, premium themes. To start with, you click free themes. All the free themes will display. You can go through one by one. You can see what are the various possibilities and provisions available in each and every theme. Then you can activate any one theme. See, I have activated a theme called Serenau. Then what I can do is that once I can go to dashboard, go to appearance menu, click customize, you will get this particular screen which will help you to customize your present WordPress blog. The left side you can see there are few items which can be customized. First one is site identity, where you can give a title for your site. You can give some taglines, some small capting words you can choose. After typing these two, you can give publish, then it will be published. If you want to change background colors, you can change the background colors. If you want to change the font size, you can change the font size. For headings, for the content, you can change different font styles. Once you have done all these things, you can have even customize a header for your WordPress blog. You click on custom header. You can there's an option for adding images. You can add new image, and you can choose any one image what you have, or even from your computer or from online you can collect an image that can be placed here for your customization. You can select an image and that becomes a header for your WordPress blog. You can see now the color of the font is increased. It is in different color and background color is changed. Fine. Now once these things are ready, now our blueprint is ready. Now what I want is that I should decide I want a master bedroom or a smaller bedroom. I want one big hall. I want one kitchen. I want one puja room. I want washrooms. I want wash basins. So you should decide which kind of thing you want in your house. How big it should be. Where it is to be. See, just by having a house, you cannot go and keep all your things in the house. You should have a puja room to go and keep all the puja items. You need a kitchen room to go and keep all the kitchen items. Same way, for your WordPress blog, you need to decide what are the various widgets you need. You want to have pages, you want to have images, you want to have text, you want to have RSS feeds, you want to have login account for Facebook, you want to have archives, you want to have calendars, you want to have address. So whatever things you want to have in your WordPress, for all those things you need to have a widget first. So where are the widgets available? In the dashboard, the left side menu. If you click appearance, just below that there is something called widgets. You click widgets, you will get all the widgets arranged in the alphabetical order. And the right side you can see sidebar 1, sidebar 2, footer sidebar 1, 2, 3. It means that for the theme what I have selected, the theme what we have selected already, it supports 2 sidebars and 3 sidebars at the bottom of your screen. Footers. So when you want to select a widget, after selecting the widget, you can decide whether that widget should appear in sidebar 1 or sidebar 2 or footer sidebar 1 or footer sidebar 2 or footer sidebar 3. First of all, you need to select the widget, then you should decide where it is to be placed. For example, I want to have a widget. Widgets are available here. For example, I want to have a widget called pages. From among the list of widgets, I select a widget called page. When I click a page, it asks whether the widget page should appear in sidebar 1 or sidebar 2. I have selected sidebar 1 and I click on add widget, and you can see here in the sidebar 1 the widget has come here. It is asking for the name of the pages. You can give anything. I just leave it as pages, then click on save. That widget is ready. Then second widget, blog states. You want to know how many people are visiting your blog. So there is a widget called blog states. You can select the widget, you give a single left click and it will ask you where it is to be placed. I have selected sidebar 2, then click add widget, and I have selected another widget, categories, to be available in sidebar 2. I have selected another widget called search. I placed in sidebar 1. You can just see the screen. Under sidebar 1, I have added 2 widgets. Under sidebar 2, I have added 2 widgets. So totally 4 widgets are added. These widgets are the placeholders where you can go and keep your content. As far as pages are concerned, you can go and add any number of pages, hundreds of pages or sub pages you can add. Search widget will help you to search for the contents available in your WordPress blog. Blog status widget that will display how many people have visited your library blog or your institutional blog or your individual blog. The categories will help you to add the actual content. Whatever content you want to put in the name of post, you can keep on adding any hundreds, thousands of categories, subcategories under this particular widget. So 4 widgets are added. Let me go to my WordPress blog and see. Here you can see here pages, search, blog statistics, categories. All the 4 widgets are placed in the library website, but I have not added any content so far. I have prepared a blueprint for my house. I have decided various rooms. I constructed various rooms, puja room, kitchen, balcony, garden area, all those things and all. Now I have to go and add the contents. Is it fine? Fine. And sometimes you need to keep some text content in your WordPress blog. Something like you want to give an announcement, you want to give an information, you want to wish somebody, some textual message. For that you can have another widget called text. Go to dashboard, appearance and widget. You can see all the list of widgets and click on text and decide it is going to be available in sidebar 1 and click add widget. You can see here title, about. I have given a title called about and a small introduction about this blog. I say that this is a blog for library science professionals. The purpose of this blog or who maintains and creates something like that. You can give a textual message and click on save. And you can see in the blog whatever I typed as text widget, the same widget is now available in the WordPress blog. This way you can create 20, 30, hundreds of text widgets wherever you want, whether in sidebar 1 or 2 or footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, wherever you want this textual content, you can make use of this text widget. Then, for example, you got some pictures or photos, you want to create a gallery, something like that. So what you can do is that, go to dashboard, appearance, widgets, click on gallery widget, and I have decided to have this gallery in sidebar 2, footer sidebar 2, click on add widget, and automatically you can see here footer sidebar gallery. I give a title called librarians because I am going to add the pictures of librarians. So I have given librarians, click on save, the widget is ready. Now, how to create a gallery? You just click on create new gallery and you can go and select all the photographs and click here create new category, all the photos selected. You click on insert gallery and you can see whatever photos I have selected, all those photos will appear in the footer of WordPress blog as a gallery. Is it fine? Fine. Then, most importantly, we would like to have an item in our blog or a website called links. So, we would like to give a list of useful links to your readers, to your friends, something like that. So, for that, go to dashboard and appearance, widgets. There is a widget by name link. Click and decide the location. I am going to place all the links in my footer sidebar 2. Then click on add widget. Okay, and you can add the calendar also. I have added a calendar and placed it in footer sidebar 3. All these widgets are available in the dashboard. In the menu appearance, click widgets. All the widgets will be appearing in the alphabetical order. You can decide the widget and you can decide where it is going to be made available in your blog. You can see here now footer sidebar 1 link widget has come, footer sidebar 2 gallery, footer sidebar 2 calendar. So I have added 3 widgets to be available in the sidebars. Fine. You can see here now, if you scroll and come down to the bottom of your WordPress blog, you can see blog role. Links are available, then gallery is available in the middle, and calendar is available on the rightmost side. So 3 widgets which I have added has come to the library WordPress blog. Thank you.